Am I the only one that didn't know how much time I was wasting with my mouse? Am I the only one that didn't know these shortcuts could feel like magic? Stick with me for 60 seconds, countdown style. We're counting down 5 quick-win Windows 11 shortcuts that actually save time. Number 5, Win plus D, instantly show desktop. Need a clean slate? Boom, done. Number 4, Win plus E opens File Explorer in a flash, no hunting on the taskbar. Number 3, Win plus L lock your PC instantly. Step away safe, fast. Number 2, Win plus Tab, open task view, and jump between desktops or apps like a pro. Great for multitasking. And number 1, Win plus Shift plus S, screenshot snipping tool. Select copy share, no extra apps. Use these in combo, and watch your workflow speed up. Try them now. 5 presses, big payoff. If you want more bite-sized AI tips, hit follow on AI Easy.